Pawpaw Sammy and Alley-bug here. The other day, yesterday in fact, I went in my shed. The temp was 93. It's insulated and the whole shooting match, but it was my worm bins. Red wigglers can take it up to about 95. After that, they're gonna die. So what I had to do was bring them out here on my back porch in the shade and get them out of that shed, wet them down real good, and set them right there. I do not want to lose my red wigglers. That is where I get my compost mixture for my rooting, my plants I've got rooted. I've got hundreds of them rooting. And I need that compost. So, like a good farmer, I brought them out here and put them in the shade and let them cool off. Because like I said, without them, I can't have this. Thank you, like and subscribe.